So Microsoft is rolling out some big updates for Copilot, now extending its capabilities to Excel, PowerPoint, and OneDrive with the help of OpenAI's latest GPT-4o model. Satya Nadella, Microsoft CEO, just announced a UI for AI update, which includes over 700 improvements and 150 new features. So what's in it for you? Copilot is now built into your favorite tools, offering smart help exactly when you need it. Picture Copilot assisting you in Excel with data analysis or in PowerPoint with creating presentations and generating images. It's like having a super smart assistant right by your side. A standout feature is Copilot Pages or BizChat, which is available to Microsoft 365 subscribers. This feature makes team collaboration easier by letting you pull in data, generate insights, and edit information together. It can even browse the web to gather useful information, making research and teamwork smoother. In Excel, Copilot can help analyze your data, suggest formulas, and create visuals, effectively acting as a virtual data analyst. In PowerPoint, it speeds up presentation creation and image generation, saving you a ton of design time. For Teams, Copilot will summarize meetings and content, and in Outlook, it will highlight important emails and summarize your inbox. Just a heads up, these features are available for Microsoft 365 subscribers only. So the Copilot Wave 2 event has brought some exciting updates, from improved tools in Excel and PowerPoint to smarter emails and file management in Teams, Outlook, and OneDrive. These changes are all about making you more productive and saving you a lot of time. So let me know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.